Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. Okay everyone, let's start checking right now. Now I check this one first. Mini airplane, a nice airplane everybody. Now check the next one. Police car. Mobil Truk everybody, Mobil Truk or tank. Mobil Truk or tank truck. Now check the next one. My favorite car, my cute car everybody, Bulldozer. Really nice. How about this one? Mobil Truk. Indonesian language, Mobil Truk, a truck. The next one. Bus. Green bus, mini bus. How about this one? Spider-Man, red Spider-Man. Racing car number 9. My favorite racing car. 4 wheels motorbike. Off-road car, red color. Everyone, let's move to another track so we can see a lot of cars here. I shake it strongly in water. Police car, yellow color. The next one, forklift. You can see this kind of truck at any factory. Another one, die-cast car, green color. It is a kind of off-road car, very nice. My favorite die-cast car. About this one, mini airplane, a nice airplane. How about this one everybody? Red police car. Forklift. Bà này cái forklift nó kêu hết là lơ cái bàn. Police car, mini police car, white color. How about this one? Police car, white color, a bigger police car. How about this one everybody? Mobil Truk or truck. Supercar. Everybody, this is a supercar. Orange color. The last one. Everybody, If you love, if you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.